Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video, I am going to talk about how we can deal with the excess heat in the body. Many times this happens like we are unaware of the things that are happening in our system. But there are signs and symptoms which are clearly visible, like we see suddenly from somewhere pimples start coming on our face. Like a face was totally clear, but suddenly pimples pop up. It happens with many of us. Sometimes we will see like suddenly we will start having stomatitis, that is called mouth ulcers on the lips and everywhere. We feel like why this is happening, why we are feeling mouth ulcers. Sometimes burning sensation in hand and feet for no reasons. Sometimes excess of sweating. Sometimes excessive acidity and burning sensation in the stomach and a lot of heat in the body, like it feels like whole body is burning. If these symptoms happens with you also, then please don't forget, according to Ayurveda, maybe there is excess heat in the system. But this burning sensation in hands and feet, this symptom is also seen in diabetes. So if you have family history of diabetes and if you are feeling burning sensation in hands and feet, then it is time that you go and check your fasting blood sugar, because sometimes this burning sensation happens when there is high sugar levels in the blood. So I am explaining this just so that we will aware, like not burning always because of heat, but sometimes it also happens because of excessive sugar in the system, especially in diabetes. As you know, in Ayurveda, food is called medicine and there are certain foods which enhances heat in the system. On the contrary, there are certain foods which lowers down the heat in our system. First, start with spices. All the spices are hot in potency and they are responsible for excess heat in the system. So in those days when you feel excessive heat in your body, reduce the intake of spices. So this was the first thing that you can do, which you can ignore if you are not aware of it. The next thing that you need to do, that is increase those things in the food items which are sweet in nature and reduce salty, spicy and chili things. All these three things enhances heat in the system. All sour things are responsible for enhancing the heat in the body or in the system. But there are few exceptions, like in Ayurveda there is a herb called Amlica officialis, that is called amla, that is very beneficial in reducing heat in the body, though it is little sour in taste, but if you observe carefully, if you drink water over amla, it tastes sweet. So actually it has sweet taste also and it is responsible for cooling down the excess heat in your system. So whenever you are facing excessive heat in the system, you can have amla powder or triphala or amla powder. These will help you to bring this heat in the system into balance. The next thing that you can do when you observe there is excess heat in the system, that is in the morning when you get up, you can have 1 glass of lemon water. Take 1 glass of lukewarm water, squeeze half lemon in it, add little bit of salt, pinch of Himalayan salt if you want taste, and just drink it. This will help you to cool down your system and balances the excessive heat in your system. Though lemon is also sour in taste, but its post digestive effect is cooling, so it will cool down the heat in your body. Another thing which is very beneficial to have when you have excessive heat in the body, that is coconut water. Coconut water is full of nutrients, full of minerals, and it is very healthy unless if you have bad throat. If your throat is not bad, you can have coconut water. 2-3 coconuts also you can have. You drink the water that is there in coconut and it will help you to balance the heat, the excessive heat in your body. In addition to that, the ointments that you can apply to reduce the heat from your system, that is sandalwood paste. What you can do after shower, if you have time, you make a paste of sandalwood, take 2-3 spoons of sandalwood powder. It's very easily available, but make sure it should be without any adulteration. Put little bit of rose water in it and mix it well, and after that apply it on your face, on your neck, on your body, and leave it for next 10 to 15 minutes. After that, take a shower with lukewarm water and you will observe the different kind of cooling feeling in your body, in your system. Also, it will be very beneficial to remove the excess sweat. If somebody has a problem of excessive sweating because of excessive heat in outside temperature, then this sandalwood powder will help in these things also. In addition to that, increase the intake of water, but water should be from either mud pot, because mud pot water is more cooling in potency than refrigerator water. You would be surprised to know the water from the refrigerator is hot in potency because their cooling has been done artificially, and if you are drinking ice water, this is very hot in potency. For sometimes you feel for your tongue like it is cooling your tongue, but actually if you are drinking more and more water from refrigerator, it will enhance the heat in your system. So, I request all of you, don't take refrigerator water if you have excessive heat in your system. Actually, ice is cold in temperature, but it is hot in potency according to Ayurveda. In addition to that, try to avoid alcohol, smoking. These two things are also responsible for excessive heat in the system. Try to relax with meditation techniques. Try to avoid anger, because anger also causes excessive heat in the system and enhances intensity. You can try with simple Upa Yoga practice or Nadi Shuddhi or breathing practice, Anulom Vilom, any kind of practice, whichever you like, you try it out, and this will help you to cool your system, especially this Shitali Pranayama. This is specific kind of pranayama, you can easily find it online, and this is very beneficial to reduce the heat from your system. In addition to that, in the morning when you start your breakfast, have a big bowl of fruits, and this bowl of fruits will help you to reduce the heat from your system. Also, you can use green ground sprouts. Green ground sprouts are also very cooling in potency, and it will also help you to balance the heat from your system. If you are doing excessive Kapalbhatis, reduce these Kapalbhatis, because excessive Kapalbhatis will also cause excessive heat in the system. Those who are practicing it, make the count of Kapalbhati low in number. This will also help you to reduce the heat from your system. So, among food, don't start having food that is cold in temperature. Food should always be taken warm in temperature, and best to have organic origin, and try to have more liquid things in the food. This will help you to reduce heat in the system, especially rice water. You just boil rice in a pan and make the quantity of water more, and after that filter these rice. You just cook it for next 10 to 15 minutes, and this water is very kapha enhancing it, and it is very beneficial to reduce the heat from your system. So, if you have a problem of excessive heat in the body, you can try it out. You can have this 1 glass of rice water, 1 glass of cooked rice water, half an hour before food with little bit of pepper and Himalayan salt. This will make it easily digestible, and you will observe like it is very beneficial to provide strength in your system. So, that is all for today's video. I hope you will like it, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Click the subscription button, hit the bell icon so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want to have Ayurveda consultation, please write a mail in the given email address. I will let you know how we can schedule it. So, that is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and with this note I would like to say, stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.